Good afternoon, everyone. As you can see, the yard is still a lake. And if you saw the video from last night, you saw the frog that scared the you-know-what out of me last night. Go to smoke a cigarette and I thought it was someone there, but it was a frog. And you can hear them and the birds all chirping and everything. So let's just take a listen. And yes, it is raining, but I can feel spring coming. And yeah, so Mr. Frog was probably right over there last night, but I swear he sounded like he was right in here. But it was kind of cool though. Never talked to a frog before. Sure, I look like an idiot. Anyway, there's a bunch of robins out there, and trees sound like it's a bunch. It's just doing a little drizzling, so it's supposed to be sun shining tomorrow. But yeah. But I really would like to see how big that frog is, though. Seriously would. Because it's gotta be big. Seems like somebody's got a puppy. But anyway, Mr. Frog's out there somewhere. Alright, y'all guys have a blessed day. Don't forget, trust in the Lord Jesus Christ. Have faith. And love one another as Jesus has loved you. God bless.